Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Your Reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of high-flying excitement as we explore the top 5 best drones for kids that you can buy this year. If you're searching for the perfect blend of entertainment and education, you're in the right place. But before we soar into the details, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button to stay updated with the latest and greatest in kid-friendly drone technology. Now let's take off into the skies of innovation and discover the drones that will make your child's imagination soar. Starting at number 5, we have the Ficinto M28 mini drone. This compact wonder is not just a drone, it's a dazzling light show in the sky. The multicolored LED lights add a mesmerizing touch to your flying experience. Safety is paramount, and the sturdy protective frame ensures worry-free flights for kids and beginners. With versatile functions and a compact design, it's the perfect companion for on-the-go adventures. And if you're in need of a fantastic gift, look no further. Its cool design, safety features, and impressive flight time of 15 minutes make it a sure winner. At number 4, we present the Elinoover Drone with camera, elevating the experience with a 1080p HDFPE camera. This drone is not just about flying, it's about capturing stunning moments. With a remarkable 28-minute flight time, it's your ticket to extended aerial exploration. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pilot, the intelligent control system via the app and multiple flight modes ensure that the fun never stops. Taking the third spot is the Cheerwing U46S mini drone. Engineered for kids and beginners, it comes with a range of features that make flying a breeze. The inclusion of 3 batteries extends the excitement to 15 to 21 minutes, and safety is a top priority with fully covered propellers. With 3 different flight speeds, it caters to pilots of varying skill levels, making it a versatile and enjoyable choice for indoor flights. Securing the runner-up position is the Cheerwing U89S drone with camera. Boasting a 1080p FPV camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle, this drone provides an immersive real-time viewing experience. It's user-friendly, offering 1-button takeoff/landing and 2-speed control options. Intelligent flight functions like altitude hold and low battery alarms ensure a safe and enjoyable flying experience. Finally, at the top spot, we have the drone with camera for adults by Loiley. This drone is the epitome of user-friendly and versatile design. Packed with features like 1-key takeoff/landing, altitude hold, and smart app control, it caters to beginners and children. The HD 1080 camera, coupled with real-time image transmission, delivers high-quality photos and videos. Its compact and lightweight build makes it an ideal travel companion. And with 2 batteries providing a total flight time of 25 to 30 minutes, the fun never has to end.